In this video, you'll learn how to know the best time to go plane spotting. I'll go over the options of my app which tells you the best time to go plane spotting, the best times, sorry, and it tells you what times to do it from. We'll start with a blank page. First, you select the airport. Currently, I've got Hobart International Airport selected. You can request more added, however. And I've got all of today to go plane spotting. So I'm going to select, I've got all of tomorrow to go plane spotting. So, but I want to go plane spotting for 2 hours within a certain time period. So what I do is I select 9 a.m. or 6 a.m. as it appears, 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. and then I pick the day, then I pick the end time, which is 4 p.m. and what I have to do is I need to make sure the end time is after the start time, and I want to spend 2 hours, 2.5 hours plane spotting at some point between 10 and 4. And I want to see, I don't care how many departures or arrivals, I just want to see the most aircraft. So I press get times and then it loads. And I can see the best time is to go on January the 9th, 2021 at 1:25 p.m. to 3:25 p.m. and I'll see 6 departures and 5 arrivals. Note, aircraft types is sometimes incorrect. It's just kind of a guess. On some airports it will be how many different airlines arrive at the airport. Say I don't really care about arrivals. Now we have a new situation. Say I don't care about arrivals. I care about them half as much as departures. So I can change that to 0.5 and I press get times again and it tells me pretty much the same results. I don't value arrivals at all. I just want to know which times have the best number of departures, and it tells me that. But say I want to see a lot of arrivals but no departures. For example, at my home airport, it is better to see departures typically because they come closer, but here we can see that I can find 6 arrivals between these 2 times, and I can keep scrolling down to see the one that best suits me. They're ordered from best to worst based on how little time it takes and how many arrivals and departures. Just remember that aircraft types is sometimes wrong. At some airports it works, at some it doesn't. If your airport isn't listed here, you need a GitHub account. You can check if it's going to be added by clicking this top link, and then this bottom link will allow you to create a new issue, which will make me add it. It will be a request to add it. It does require a github.com account. If you want, you can just email me and I'll do it as well. But you need to include the airport and stuff. But if you want, just email me or contact me on Discord and I will do it as well. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find this website useful. Thanks.